close friend on your Instagram account. So if you want to add a close friend on Instagram, you can do it by using this feature of Instagram. First you need to click on the profile pic and you will visit that page, which is your main home feed page. After this you need to click on the three line icon at the top right corner of the screen. Now you need to select the setting option. Under setting option you will see a lots of option, but you need to select the account option, and under account you will see a option of your close friend, which is the third option. Click on it. Now you need to select the friend which you want to add in a close friend list. Like in my case, I had add some of the profiles on close friend, and it will not send any notification when you add someone in your close friend list. So if you click on done, it will add it in your close friend list. So this is the way to add close friend on your Instagram account. I hope this guide was helpful. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.